Hi, Sue here. I am going to be taking this tire off of this carbon fiber wheel. And I begin by letting the air out of the wheel. I use a two-way valve stem tool. Wait. So I'm using the classic tire changer. I take the dog block and put it in the spot that we've got indicated. The reason we want to do that is so that the breaker tee lines up with the tire on the rim so that you can break it down. So move it around. Push down on the rest of it. I'm gonna flip it over. It's so light. Oh my God, this BST wheel is so light. Push down on this side. Okay, now that I have thoroughly broken the bead off of the wheel, I am going to lock it into our classic tire changer. So I'm going to move the dog block in the larger increment because it's a 17-inch wheel. So I'm going to put it in the 17-inch peg hole, and we have a scale over here. I'm going to push the rim in the flat part, or push the rim on the dog block on each one. Put in the flat part of the cam. Got a decreasing radius to it, and lock it in. I'm going to lock it in around this area. If you always find yourself locking it in right here, you need to take one of the dog blocks, make a finer adjustment, and then lock it in. You can use it symmetrically or asymmetrically. It just depends on the wheel and tire that you're dealing with. So I will tell you, working with carbon fiber wheels can be a little cantankerous sometimes because they're made of a very slick material. So our blocks lock them in pretty good. I mean, I've got a pretty tight grip on them right now. If I needed to make it tighter, all I would have to do is move one of the blocks to a smaller increment and then lock it into the cam on this side. Again, making sure that you're not at that end of that cam when you're locking it in. The other thing I like to do is I like to push the tire this way to puff it up over here to give me space to insert the demount end of my bar. So I'll make the space over here. And as I create it, I twist the bar. I'm going to push this tire down and draw the bar up at the same time. The reason I want to do that is so that the tip of the demount end doesn't bend. If I use it as a pry bar, it's designed to bend so you don't do any damage to the rim. So I'll lock my center post in, hold on to the tire. So I got the first part off. Second part. Put my hand on the end of the bar. I got my fingers up underneath here. Put the center post back. Hold on to the tire. Off it goes. And that's it. Take the tire off, put a new one on, air it up, balance it, put it on your bike. That's it. It was pretty quick. Maybe I'll try doing a video without me talking and see how quick I can do it. You know what? Let's do that right now. That's it. And take it out of the blocks in the cam. Put air in it. Put on a balancer and balance it. That's it. That's how quick it is. Nice and easy. Thanks for watching. Made in the USA. No more tire changer.